Great moments are born from great opportunity. And that's what you have here tonight, boys.
In a compound that few possess the courage to enter. Men from my previous life took the fight to our enemy.
All comes down to today.
One game.
Tonight, we stay with them, and we shut them down because we can.
From the soles of your feet, with every ounce of blood you've got in your body, lay it on the line until the final whistle blows.
Every battle is won before it's ever fought. Think about it.
The margin for error is so small. I mean, 1/2 a step too late or too early, and you don't quite make it. 1/2 second too slow, too fast, you don't quite catch it. The inches